Okay, I am so excited for today's video. I'm just so excited. Okay, it's my very first haul and I'm just really excited to show you guys. If you like any of the makeup that I'm wearing today, I will leave links down below. I will also leave links down below for the makeup that I'm going to be showing you today. About a week and a half ago, E.L.F was having a 60% off sale, and I mean 60% off for E.L.F, that's like amazing. So I decided to go for it, and I'm just really excited to show you my stuff. If you guys want me to do any product reviews or testing for any of the products I have in this box today, I'm more than happy to do that. I'm planning on doing some of it anyway, but if there's something specific that you want me to do, then let me know. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get alerted as to when I post new videos. Okay, let's get started. So first things first I want to show are the E.L.F. Bite Size eyeshadows, which I absolutely am in love with. I actually got this one's actually a refill of one that I've already finished. This is the Rose Water one, which I love. It's got one dark shade, it's got a little shimmer to it, and this is a matte shade, and the rest of them are shimmer shades, which I love, and they layer on so well. And then this one is the Berry Bad. Also, this one actually has two matte shades. So there's a light and a dark, so you've got a transition shade, and then you have the main color shade, and then you have your two shimmers. Okay, so so I got two different lip colors for their lip lacquer, and I got one color in Moody right here, and I got the other one in Wild Rose. Now, I do not know how these look on me because they haven't been opened yet, but we're gonna do them now. Okay, nothing on my lips. It's got a nice sized doe foot. It's more of a flat doe foot than anything else though. Okay. I like it a lot. And it goes really well with my eyeshadow today. Okay, totally awesome. And then we have the Rose Water one, which, let me take this off first. Next one is Rose Water. Cotton in my mouth. Okay. This one's definitely a lighter shade. Yeah, this is more of like just a everyday need to put something on your lip gloss. There's a little bit of color, which I like. And they're very smooth. So cotton in my mouth. The next two things I got were the E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer and the Hydrating Camo Concealer. Now, I know they're different shades. Wasn't really sure which one to get, so I got both. This one is a Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this shade is Light Ivory. There. And this one is actually Full Coverage Matte, so they're going to give different finishes, obviously. And this color is Fair Warm. I did the test on like the beauty profile website, and this is what they literally picked out both of these for these two different items. So we'll see how they go. Okay, my next one is the Lash and Roll Mascara. I have never used it before, but I will use it at a different time and let you know how that works. I got it, I think, in just black. Yeah, just got it in black. Next, I got the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. We will find out if that, actually, should we try it now? Let's try it now. Okay. Microfine Setting Mist. It's supposed to wear up to 16 hours, but let's hope it doesn't ruin my makeup. All right, there goes nothing. Nothing's coming out. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells very citrusy. Okay. Oh, it's very light. I like it a lot, actually. I'm actually very much a fan of E.L.F. setting sprays. I have their regular setting spray, their daily setting spray, or I'm not really sure what it's called. So the next thing I have is their Hello Hydration Hydrating Serum with, I don't know how to pronounce this, jojoba, aloe, and vitamin E. It's from their skincare line, or one of their skincare lines. It's for dry, oily, and combination skin. I will let you know how this works. Let's hope I don't break out from it. What it's supposed to do, it's supposed to moisturize the skin to reduce the appearance of fine lines, leaving the skin glowing and healthy looking. So when I'm not wearing makeup, I will do a video on how this works. Potentially, maybe. I don't know. Okay, again, this is my first haul video, so please bear with me. Okay, the next thing I have, which is actually I love, and this is my second one, is the Hello Hydration Gentle Peeling Exfoliant with papaya and tangerine extracts. I love this stuff. This stuff is amazing, and it really works, and I'm really digging this lip color right now. Okay, sorry. I love it, and I ran out of mine, and it lasts a really long time, so that's another reason why, like, this is a really good bang for your buck. Okay, next is the Hello Hydration Coconut Mist with coconut and vitamin E. Also for dry, oily, combination skin. It hydrates the skin and refreshes makeup with an invigorating coconut scent. Lightweight and perfect to start or end your day, or even for a midday refresh to nourish the skin. Thought it looked fun. Got a couple more lip plumping colors. One color is in Mauve Lady. And then the other one is Sparkling Rosé, but ironically, there's no sparkle in the Sparkling Rosé. Where's the Sparkling Rosé? And this, okay, this one's definitely going to be a first impression because, I mean, honestly, I've been so curious about this since I first saw this on Flip or TikTok, one of the two. It is a Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. Yeah, it's a magnetic tool, unique mask formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities. So this is what it looks like on the back of the box. So you put on the mask and then the thing's supposed to take off all of the stuff. Definitely going to try this one out soon. Like, very excited. And the rest of the stuff in here is black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I love their liquid eyeliner. And I got two new brushes, a flat eyeshadow brush and the crease brush. So that is it for my first ever haul. Again, if you'd like me to do any tutorials on any of the stuff that I have, I am more than willing to do so. I'm definitely going to do one for that magnetic face mask one. Like, that is freaking insane. Again, I will leave all the links down below, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell button. I will be posting every Tuesday and Friday, so you can expect videos to be posted then, but still make sure to hit that bell button so you can know exactly when I post it. All right, see you soon.